Eggs are packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. But when you eat them with the wrong foods, they can go from a heart-healthy option to a dangerous combination that clogs your arteries and raises your heart attack risk. Today, I'll reveal 3 foods you should never eat with eggs, especially if you're over 50 or have a family history of heart disease. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Processed meats like bacon and sausage. Yes, the classic breakfast combo. Eggs with bacon or sausage might taste great, but it's a heart health disaster. Processed meats are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and saturated fat. When combined with the cholesterol in eggs, this creates a dangerous cocktail for your arteries. Studies show that regular consumption of eggs with processed meats increases plaque buildup, blood pressure, and inflammation, all major heart attack triggers. If you're eating this combo daily, it's time to rethink your plate. Number 2. White toast or refined carbs. Eggs on white toast sounds harmless, right? Not quite. Refined carbs like white bread, bagels, or pancakes spike your blood sugar fast. This leads to insulin resistance, inflammation, and fat storage around your belly and organs. When paired with eggs, which naturally contain fat and cholesterol, it amplifies the negative effects and increases the risk of metabolic syndrome. Instead, go for whole grain toast or fiber-rich veggies to balance your plate. Number 3. Cheese, especially processed cheese. Many people love to add cheese to their eggs, omelets, scrambles, sandwiches. But most processed cheeses are high in saturated fat and sodium. Add that to the cholesterol from eggs, and you've got a recipe for clogged arteries and elevated LDL cholesterol. Worse, processed cheese often contains artificial additives that inflame your arteries over time. If you love cheesy eggs, switch to a sprinkle of feta or avocado for flavor, without the heart risk. Let's recap. Never eat eggs with 1. Processed meats like bacon and sausage. 2. Refined carbs like white toast or bagels. 3. Processed cheese or heavy dairy. These combos raise your risk of heart attack, block your arteries, and promote inflammation. But when you pair eggs with the right foods, like leafy greens, avocado, tomatoes, or whole grains, they support your heart, brain, and metabolism. Make the switch today. Protect your heart with smarter food combinations and feel the difference in energy, focus, and long-term health. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who eats eggs the wrong way. Stay safe, eat smart, and I'll see you in the next video.